In this video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Steam controller layout. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to properly ensure that Steam input is set up and how to reset any layouts that you have created. So to start, if you still need to manage Steam input, go into the top left corner of the Steam launcher, click on Steam and then Settings. Inside of Settings, you will be able to customize the controller category. Ensure that Steam input is enabled for all controllers. Now, once this is done and your controller has been detected, right-click any game, go to Properties and then the Controller tab. Once again, you can double-check to see if Steam input has been enabled. Now, to actually manage the layouts that you have created, go into the Controller Configurator. In here, your controller will appear, and most importantly, you will be able to manage the layouts. So as you can see in this current layout, I changed the X button to start. Of course, this isn't ideal. So there are two ways that you can manage the layout. You can go over here and individually change every single button, but of course this can be tedious and sometimes you don't remember all of the changes that you've made. So the main way to reset the configuration is to click the settings icon and select revert changes. You will get this warning. Are you sure you want to revert all changes to your current layout? Your current layout will be reset to the last time you exported it or selected a new layout. So click confirm. And if I go back into the edit layout, you can see now that the A button is the A button, B button is B button, and so on. So all of those changes that I made right now are gone. So all that you have to do is click on the settings and then revert changes. If there are no changes to be reverted, it is going to be grayed out. So you can only do this if you have made changes to a specific layout. And of course, you can also browse through community-made layouts. So if you choose a specific one, for example, this one here, and then all of the buttons change, you go ahead and apply, but then you want to go back, you can either choose a different one or just use the base layout available here. I hope I was able to help you on how to reset Steam controller layout. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.